If your MetaQuest 3 controller's wrist straps are getting in your way and you don't really use them, then to remove your controller straps or attach them back, what you gotta do is turn your controller to the opposite side of the grip button. Let's take the right controller for example. And here, at the top, you'll see a triangular button with a bump on it. This is actually the cover release button. You just push it, and the cover will pop open. After that, if we look at the bottom where the wrist strap is, you'll be able to see you can just grab it and slide it out. So that's how simple it is. Then you just put back the cover and push it upwards to lock it in place. And if you want to reattach these straps in the future, or maybe try a different lanyard, then just align it parallelly and push it inside. There you have it. Hope this helped you out. I'll see you around.